Hello everyone, dear friends. In this video, I will tell you about the new airdrop from and how to get the project tokens. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. It will often potential projects for you that could bring you results in the cryptosphere. As you know, you shouldn't miss such events. So, I will briefly tell you what an airdrop is and demonstrate the process of getting tokens using my own example. Let's move on to getting tokens. The first step is to have Solana tokens on your balance and conduct transactions on wallet to buy and sell tokens. In my trust wallet, there are Solana tokens worth $6,161. Next, go to the official website pumpfun.com, which is in the description under the video. Next, you need to connect a wallet that is more active and interacts with the Solana network. During the connection process, a window will appear, confirming the connection to site, which must be confirmed, and we wait until the token arrives in our wallet. In a couple minutes, I received $3, 2 to 4 pump tokens. I recommend that you don't miss out and take part in this airdrop as criteria were as simple as possible. If you have any problems, write in the comments under the video, and I will be happy to help you. Good luck to everyone.